Okay, so for this next part, I'm going to deposit the pigments that we just extracted from the leaves. We're going to deposit it onto the chromatography paper. So the chromatography paper is special paper with certain polarity that allows the polar pigments to move through based on movement of the solvent that we'll put in the chromatography chamber. So on each of these chromatography papers, I've drawn a line near the bottom, and that's where I'm going to deposit my pigment. So I'm going to use one of these capillary tubes to pull up some of the pigment from here. You can see it pulls up just a little bit into this straw-like piece of glass. So that's called a capillary tube because that solvent, or the solution, pulls up through capillary action. And then I'm going to lightly touch this to the paper, and that's going to deposit some of my pigments right there on the paper. This is hard to do with the handheld camera. Okay. Okay, so now that I have my pigments deposited on the chromatography paper, I'm going to take these over to the chromatography chambers, which are in the fume hood.